Have you ever heard of a rare brain disease caused by free-living amoebae in water? It's a condition that seems to be plucked straight from a science fiction novel, but it's very real and, unfortunately, often deadly. This disease is caused by a microscopic organism known as Naegleria fowleri, often referred to as the brain-eating amoeba. Naegleria fowleri is a free-living microorganism that is primarily found in warm freshwater bodies. It can exist in different forms, including cysts, trophozoites, and biflagellates. While it typically feeds on bacteria, it can become pathogenic in humans, leading to a rare and often fatal brain infection known as naegleriosis, or primary amoebic meningoencephalitis. The disease begins when the amoeba enters the human body, usually through the nasal cavity. This often occurs when an individual inhales water contaminated with the amoeba, such as when swimming or diving in warm freshwater bodies. From the nasal cavity, the amoeba travels along the olfactory nerve and into the brain, where it causes extensive damage. So, what are the signs and symptoms of this disease? Naegleriosis is characterized by severe symptoms that generally begin within 1 to 12 days following exposure. Initial symptoms include severe frontal headache, fever, nausea, and vomiting. As the disease progresses, symptoms may escalate to include stiff neck, seizures, altered mental status, hallucinations, and coma. It's important to remember that naegleriosis is extremely rare, with fewer than 200,000 reported cases in the United States. However, its high fatality rate and rapid onset make it a significant concern. So, how can you protect yourself and your loved ones from this deadly amoeba? Prevention primarily involves avoiding activities in warm freshwater bodies, particularly during periods of high water temperatures and low water levels. Other precautions include holding the nose shut or using nose clips when swimming or diving in warm freshwater bodies, and avoiding digging in or stirring up sediment while participating in water-related activities in shallow, warm freshwater areas. In summary, naegleriosis is a rare but severe brain disease caused by the free-living amoeba, Naegleria fowleri. It's primarily contracted through inhaling contaminated water, and symptoms include severe headache, fever, nausea, and even coma. While the disease is rare, it's crucial to take precautions such as avoiding warm freshwater bodies during periods of high temperatures and low water levels. Remember, knowledge is power, and being aware of the risks and symptoms can help prevent this deadly disease.